Won't you follow my body rhythm? Come and follow my body rhythm. 계속 따라와 봐. 끌리고 있잖아. Give up, give up, give up. Whoa. 한 손에 너를 가득 담은 채 나른하게 눈을 감고 의미해. I got it, yeah, I want it. Oh, oh, oh.
Hello, my name is Área and today I'm going to talk about a person what I admire. I admire Melissa Benoist. She's an actress who was born in Houston, Texas, United States. He's 33 years old and is married to Chris Wood. Melissa is known for her role in Supergirl as Cara Danvers, the protagonist, or Merle Rose in Glee. The reason I admire Melissa is because she was victim of domestic abuse while she was married to her ex-husband, Blake Jr. She made a video recounting what had happened. In one part she said, I learned what it feels like to be pinned down on split repeatedly. Hit so hard I felt like I was gasping for air. Dragged by my hair across the floor, hitting my face, my head pinched until my skin broke. Smashed against the wall, drowned. I admire Melissa for being brave in telling what happened to her. I admire Melissa for having the power to get ahead, and I am glad that she is now happily married to someone else who treats her well. For me, Melissa Benoist is my role model.
Good morning, Miss. Good morning, friends. Today I am going to talk about of Ronaldinho. This person is admired by me. His name is Ronaldo de Cis Moreira, but people call him Ronaldinho. He an ex-soccer player. This person is really admired by me because since I saw him play soccer, I always saw smile, plays on his face, and I was amazed by how the ball was mastered by him. So many tricks done by him. Videos of Ronaldinho playing soccer were seen by me. His fans say he was magician with the ball. Another thing I like about him is that people in his, including fans, are treated so kindly by him. He's my favorite soccer player, even though he has retired from soccer. I will always consider he's my favorite player in the whole world, and I hope one day I'll be good as him. Aww. Thank you.
Lady Di, the most revolutionary princess. Biography. Born on July 1, 1601, Sandringham, United Kingdom, and died on August 31, 97, at the Hospital de la Pitié-Salpêtrière, Paris, France. Diana, Princess of Wales, also known as Lady Di, was the first wife of Charles, Prince of Wales, heir to the British crown, with whom she had two children, Enrique Sussex and Guillermo de Cambridge. She had felt the reason of stigmas from HIV in 1997, he visited a hospital in London and shook hands with a patient with HIV. The terror caused by these diseases cannot be forgotten, since in those times it was believed that with minimal contact and it was transmitted. This act brought down the stigmas of HIV. HIV does not make it dangerous to meet people, so you can shake their hands and give them a hug. Even knows they need it. Were or were one of her words. Charity projects. Diana continued to support more than 100 foundations and organizations serving vulnerable, marginalized, and disadvantaged populations around the world. This is proven that around 500 of those representatives here present at their funeral. Author of, author of his great words. Nothing has brought me more happiness than trying to help the most vulnerable people in society. It was a moral goal and also an essential part of my life. A kind of destiny anyone